Here's all you need for a lovely peach cake. Some double cream, peach slices. Use tinned because you're going to use the syrup that they come in for extra flavouring. Caster sugar, self-raising flour, some butter, eggs and a touch of baking powder. Don't worry if you haven't got any baking powder, self-raising flour should just do it. First thing we're going to do is soften the butter down. If your butter's not soft already, put it in the microwave like I have. Add the sugar, then get your blender and mix those till they're nice and creamy. Once your butter and sugar are mixed together, you're going to mix in your eggs, but do it separately. So one egg at a time, and then put your mixer to work and do the same with the other 2 eggs. With your eggs mixed in, it's time to go in with the juice from one of your cans. With your juice well mixed in, so you've got a sloppy mixture, it's time to go in with your flour. Flour and a teaspoon of your baking powder. We're going to sieve that into there, get some air into the mixture, and then you're also just going to mix it round with a spatula. Don't use a mixer, just mix it all in until it's well blended. When you've folded all the dry ingredients into the wet in your cake mixture, it's time to give your cake tin a quick going over with some butter or oil, just so that your cake won't stick. Then cut out a template and stick that to the bottom of your cake tin, and then it's in with your cake mixture. You want to put this in the oven at 160 for about 40 minutes, depending on your oven, it might vary. But once a cocktail stick comes out of the middle without any ingredients on, you're pretty much good to go. When a cocktail stick comes out clean in your cake, take it out of the oven, set it to one side and let that cool down. And into a mixing bowl put your cream. Pick yourself out some juicy looking peach slices. They're going to be for decorating the top. Put your other peach slices into a sieve, because you want that bit of fruit juice that's left to go into your cream, so that there's peach flavour running throughout the whole cake no matter what bite you take. Then into a sieve you go with those peach slices, and then you're going to mash those up into a pulp. With your cake cooling down and your peach slices mashed, time to whip up your cream. With your cream whipped up, it's time to get your cooled down cake, turn him upside down, tap him on the bottom, and then you'll just feel it like that. Collapses. Take that off. Take the bottom off, which can get underneath it, and take off the grease-proof paper. Turn your cake over, then with a serrated knife, just around the edge. You don't need to go into it deeply. You're just going to score it round the edge. Then when you're back to the beginning, just keep going in a bit deeper and deeper until you've cut it in half. When you've cut your cake in half, just prick the bottom with a fork, which will allow some of those peach juices to go down into the sponge. Then it's on with the peach puree you've made. Then onto that goes your cream. Then the same thing with the top. Use your fork, just make some little holes in there. Time to put them on top. Put the rest of your peach puree on there, and then top it off with your cream. And then just to finish it off, go on with the peach slices that you saved.